Alright guys, today we've got a great install. We've got a set of taillights here from America modified for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. This is going to be a very easy install, so easy we're going to do it right outside. The snow just stopped, so we're going to get these thrown in, upgrade these old stock halogen taillights to something a lot more stylish, a little bit more proficient, and give a little performance upgrade to the Jeep. So these are the taillights from America Modified. They're blacked out. I chose the blacked out LED version. They take up the same footprint as the stock halogen, but they're gonna have all the style of that blacked out look, but the upgraded LED turn signals and reverse lights. So it's gonna be a big upgrade for the Jeep. So let's get to it. It's gonna be a really easy install. As you saw earlier, it does come with a set of colored instructions. But this is going to be so easy, we won't even need them. Okay, for this install, the only tool we're going to need is this 8mm socket, and to remove the two taillight screws that hold the housing in. So we've got two screws to loosen up. We have one down here low, and we have one sitting right behind our tailgate latch, totally accessible with a wrench. Save these two bolts because we're going to reuse them. The very next step is to gently pull straight out your stock tail light. Once it's out, you can remove the wiring harness. There's 3 connections. The first 2 are quarter turn. An optional tool may be a pair of needle nose pliers if you can't get a good grip on the bulb. Quarter turn straight out. Quarter turn straight out. Now with our side marker light, we have a red tab we need to pull straight back. We have this red tab to pull straight back. Grab it with your fingertip, pull back, and then you can pinch the sides and pull that straight out. All right, once you've got your old harness out, there's a pigtail harness here that we're going to remove. There's another clip up here with a red clip. We're going to pull that out, remove this harness. We're going to plug and play straight into that with this new harness here. Take your resistor. A lot of people will mount these resistors on a piece of aluminum angle, and they will silicone them, tape them, or adhere them in on the Jeep. These get hot, so keep these out of the reach of the rest of the wires, just so you prevent any melting of the wires or any chafage, okay? Okay, prior to us installing the new headlight assembly, what we need to do is take off these 2 metal clips. There's one here and one here. They just pry off with a screwdriver, and they'll slide onto these 2 clips here, so you can reinsert your bolts from the inside tailgate back to your light to hold them in place. They simply slide right off, slide right on. So way up there is our harness. You may need a screwdriver if you don't have small enough hands. Just pull straight back and disconnect the harness. Pulling the harness out a little bit, then just wiggle and pull, and it slides right out. We can discard of this wiring harness here. Save it with your old taillight if you'd like to repurpose it. For installation of the new headlight, line up your wiring harness with the top clip here. You should hear a clip. There'll be no red connector. Mount your resistor out of the way. I've got room for mine to drop at the bottom of my light housing where no wires can come in contact with it, and it can't melt or chafe any additional wiring I have. Line your 2 guide pins up into your holes into the sides. Gently push in and you should feel a pop. Just like that. Now we can reinsert both of our screws to the side of the taillight. Once your install is done, your fitment should look just like this, nice and tight all the way around. You shouldn't have any gaps front to back. Now let's repeat this on the other side. First step, 8mm socket, remove your 2 screws. From here, pull your taillight straight out. Alright, once this has been removed and we've pulled it straight out, there's one wiring harness up here. We can disconnect that. Take your flat-headed screwdriver, push back straight on the red tab, and from here, you're going to wiggle and pull hard on the wiring harness. From here, pull back straight on the wiring harness till it pops off. Once we have removed the old taillight, we're going to remove these 2 clips here and here, and we're going to place them on our brand new taillight for the next step. By taking your little screwdriver from the bottom, they'll slide right off. With our new taillight, simply take your tabs, slide them over these U-shaped connectors, straight down. Now our next step, we're going to plug this harness back into our harness in our truck, and once again we'll make sure that this is either mounted to the side of the body or away from any wires to prevent melting and chafing, as this does get hot. Take your brass colored guide pins, line them up into your holes in the side of your truck. You should feel a pop once you connect the wiring harness back in. Click. Dropping my reservoir where there's no wires to be chafed. Lining those guide pins up, pushing straight in gently. Once they're in, we can reinsert our 8mm screws. Back down, hand tight is appropriate. Once hand tight, this side should also have a nice tight fit all the way around. Now we can test them out. Start the truck, use your blinkers. Alright guys, thank you for watching this install video. Huge shout out to American Modified for sending me out these taillights and letting me do an install video for them. These things are super, super nice. The quality feels really well in your hands. They look absolutely amazing on this truck. and the install was very straightforward. If you like this product, go check them out. Go pick yourself up some. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, throw them down in the comments. Thank you.